Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to change wallpaper for individual chats on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. You will see your chat list. Select the chat you want to change the wallpaper. Now, tap on three dots from the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, tap on Wallpaper. Select what kind of wallpaper you want in your background. Choose an image you like. Then tap on Set Wallpaper. And you will change the wallpaper for individual chats. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to change the wallpaper for individual chats on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.